Have you ever wondered if you could turn a simple text prompt into a sticker? On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Galaxy AI can actually generate sticker based on the prompt you type, and you can do it quickly using the S Pen and Creative Studio. Let me show you how to turn a text description into your own AI sticker. First, remove the S Pen from your phone. This will open the recommend menu. From the menu, tap Creative Studio. Next, under the Design Studio section, tap Create Sticker button. Now you will see a field where you can type the text prompt that will be used to generate your sticker. For this example, let's type a cute smiling coffee cup waving hello. If you want, you can also change the sticker style before generating it. To do that, tap the style icon above the prompt field. From the available style, choose cute, which works really well for friendly sticker characters like this one. After that, tap generate. Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will now use Galaxy AI to create a sticker based on your prompt. Once the sticker is generated, tap the download icon at the top right. Then select Save as Sticker. Next, you will see several sticker style options such as original, outline, cutout, vintage, and cartoon. For this example, choose cutout because this style removes the background and makes the sticker look clean when you use it in messages. Then tap done. Your new sticker will now be saved and automatically added to the Galaxy AI sticker section on the Samsung keyboard. You can find it by opening the keyboard. Tap the emoji icon and then selecting the blue Galaxy AI sticker icon. And that's it. Now you can create and use your own AI generated stickers anytime on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.